Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make instant tasty crispy jalebi, mouth-watering jalebis. So let's move on to the recipe and see how I'm going to make this instant jalebi. I have soaked here 1 by 4 cup of urad dal for 2 hours. Now I am going to grind it to a fine paste. For making sugar syrup, I have taken here 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water. I am going to take half cup of water I have taken. Now I am going to add the 1 cup of sugar in it. Sugar syrup consistency should be of mild 1 string of sugar consistency should be there. First the sugar should completely dissolve and then we will heat it up for another 5 to 10 minutes. Sugar is boiling for the past 5 minutes. Now let's check the small tar consistency has arrived or not. Remove the impurities in sugar syrup by adding little bit of milk. Add cardamom powder also I have added in it for flavor. You can add saffron also. Now let's check it whether the small string consistency has come. Yes, you can see small string like consistency. Now let's switch off the sugar syrup. Add half spoon of lemon juice in this syrup so that the sugar syrup doesn't crystallize. I have taken here 1 cup of maida. In that I am going to add food color little bit and then little bit water, half cup of water, and give it a nice mix. No lump should be there. As you can see, I have mixed it well. Now I am going to add the urad dal paste in it. Now I am going to mix the urad dal paste. Now let's give it a nice mix. The batter should be in a pouring consistency. For making jalebi, I am taking a frosting paper cone. You can make this with the help of ketchup bottle also. Now let's pour the batter, jalebi batter in the cone. As you can see, I have filled the cone. Now cut the end and heat up oil or ghee. If you want to make the jalebis in ghee, you can make. I am going to make this in refined oil. Ghee or oil should be hot. Now let's make the jalebis. Fry it from both the sides till crispy. Then we will remove it and dip in the sugar syrup. Now let's dip it in the sugar syrup. Now remove it and your tasty juicy and crispy jalebis are ready. So yummy tasty jalebis are ready. So crispy and juicy. So please do try this recipe at home and give your valuable feedback. If you like this recipe, please give a like and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.